Sanibona, ngaphambi singene kwivideo namuhla, ngithi angithathe lethuba ngibonge i-support nothando nesikhombise lona lingaphezu kokucabanga kwethu. Siyacela niqhubeke nisiphote njalo ngokubuka amavidiyo ethu, ungakhohlwa ukukhomenta, ushare, ulike. Siyafisa ukuzwa umbono wakho. Sicela ke singene kwivideo namuhla. SAPS KZN, police in Bhulwa arrested 2 foreign nationals, aged 36 and 40. After they were found with 31 livestock suspected to be stolen, 20 goats and 11 sheep. The suspects produced fake document during a stop en route to Pietermaritzburg. They'll appear at Hlanganani Court on Monday, the 27th of October. Bathatha abantu empilweni yami engibafisela ukufa. Sengathi bangafa bangatholi ngisho nethuba lesibili empilweni. Sengathi bangathi mhlawumbe umuntu okhona makuthiwa uboshiwe fike zimgwazi iboshwa afa ejele lapho. Umuntu odlengula ingane encane, umuntu oweba imfuyo nomuntu oyinkabi. Lawo bantu ngibafisela ukufa. Ayikho into ebhlungu njengokuthi usebenze, ubeka imali, uthenge impahla ngokufuya izimbuzi noma izimvu. Uthenge imijovo, unakekele, weluse, wenze konke ofuneka ukwenza. Bese kuthi ngosuku olulodwa ulahlekelwe imfuyo yakho yonke oyisebenzele isikhathi eside kodwa ilahlekele ngosuku olulodwa. Yabona kulolu daba esiqeda kulifunda, kuthiwa they are foreign nationals. Basuke emazweni akubo bazontshontsha impahla la. Lezi mvu nalembuzi ezibanjiwe. Ayibhlungu lento eyenzekayo. Yingakho ngithi labantu ngibafisela ukufa. Ngoba yazi uma ngabe umuntu onemfuyo, ukugula kwembuzi eyodwa nje igula kwawena uphatheki kahle igula. Kuyenza kwesinye isikhathi ubone ukuthi isimo siyakuphoqa ukuthi iqedele, kodwa kusuke kungavumi, ukube kukhona into ongasuyenze, ungazama ukwenza yona kunokuthi kuthiwa iqedele. Ubusibona isimo kuso ukuthi sinjani. How about ke sekuthiwa yisekho? Uyazi ukuduka kwezimbuzi zibuye zingaphelele, awukwazi ukulala kahle usendlini ngenxa ukuthi impahla nje ayiphelele. Manje mase kukhona umuntu osuke ezweni lakubo azokweba imfuyo la, ayisengathi labantu bangathola isigwebo. Angisazi ke isigwebo sabantu abatshontsha imfuyo ukuthi zima kanjani. Kodwa labantu bazovela enkantolo namuhla. Asidlule phambili. Sisese KZN. Police in KwaZulu-Natal recovered 8 unlicensed firearms, including 4 rifles, during recent operations. 3 AK-47s and R1 rifle, a 9mm pistol, and 93 rounds were seized in Mbumbulu. 3 suspects were arrested, Msinga and Bergville, for firearm possession. Iyangijabulisa lento engiyibona la ukuthi amaphoyisa ayazirecover ibhamu lezi. Siyazi ukuthi indawo ezinezibhamu eziningi iKZN neWestern Cape. Futhi nje ngiyafisa sengathi amaphoyisa nsuku zonke singalobu sithola ama-report nje baziqoqele ibhamu ngobuningi ukuze kuzophela nalento ethi inkabi eziningi zise-KZN. Ikiphele nje neinkabi lezi zike ziphele nazo KZN. Zingabikho ndawo, hayi ukuthi zibe khona kwenye indawo, zingabikho ndawo. Ngoba akekho umuntu afuneka akhokhelwe ngokuthi awubulala omunye umuntu. Uyabona uma kuthiwa KwaZulu-Natal alifakwa libuya nodaka, kusuke kungesenesiqubulo nje sisuke sishiwo ngabantu, kodwa abasho into eyenzekayo. Futhi ngiyayithanda lento eyenzeka KwaZulu-Natal. Uma ngase ama-province oyinana ayi-adopte yenzeke zonke indawo kanye kanye, singabona omkhulu umehluko. I-article ifundeka kanje: KwaZulu-Natal MEC for Transport and Human Settlement, Siboniso Duma, has vowed to crack down on logistics companies employing undocumented foreign drivers. His warning follows the province #Nenzani La Ezweni operation, which netted more than 15 undocumented foreign nationals driving trucks and motorbikes at the Mkondeni Way Bridge along the N3. Duma said the operation, led by the Road Traffic Inspectorate, has moved into its second phase, now targeting company owners responsible for hiring undocumented drivers. He has directed the RTI to arrest those enabling what he described as turning off road network into killing fields. This weekend, RTI teams arrested 3 undocumented Malawian nationals, exposed a license fraud racket involving Eswatini truck drivers, and suspended an unlicensed truck. A Mozambican taxi driver was also detained for operating without a route permit, while 8 outstanding warrants of arrest were executed. Duma said enforcement will now be intelligence-driven to root out criminal networks in the freight industry. He said the province aimed to stop the movement of undeclared goods and restore order to KwaZulu-Natal's transport route following recent multi-million rand seizure. Ale operation kaMthombeni iyabopha idlali. Iyabopha ngempela ayidlali. Selokhu iqalile nje iyabopha. Ayidlali asidlule phambili sithatha udaba engicabanga ukuthi elokugcina. In a swift operation on Saturday, 25 October 2025, the Provincial Anti-Gang Unit in Bloemfontein arrested an 18-year-old male suspect in Bayswater area following intelligence on alleged drug dealing. A search of the suspect's premises led to the seizure of substantial amounts of drugs, including crystal meth, also known as tick, and Mendrex tablet, as well as 93,000 rand 190 in cash. The recovered items have been secured as evidence, and the suspect has been formally charged with dealing in drugs. The case is registered at Bayswater Police Station, and he is expected to appear in the Bloemfontein Magistrate Court on Monday. Kunevile engifisa ukukucaphunela yona. Njalo mangabe ngikhava story esithinta ama-drugs ivele ibuye emqondweni wami. Cela uzwe la.
Impact that drugs has on our communities, in our families, that is not enough. That does not show that we are taking this seriously. That does not show that we actually understand the magnitude and the impact that drugs has on our families. I want to know, of the SAPS members there, does anyone have a child or a family member that is on drugs? And probably this is why, Western Cape Commissioner, you have neglected. This is why you have just thought, let me just leave the people on the Cape Flats to self-destruct and destroy themselves. It cannot be that you are in a position for over 4 years, and today we come and say that 96 kids on the Cape Flats has died, and we just can't take it as this is what we're going to receive year in and year out, sir. If you have tried and if you have done your best, then I understand. If you can say to this house here today, I have tried, I have said that I don't have resources and nobody has listened, then we know that you can stay in that position, then we know we can go after the National Commissioner. But it cannot be the situation. It cannot be that we have a report that speaks to drug-detected crime that doesn't tell us where the dealers are, Minister. That doesn't tell us where the drug labs are, Minister. That doesn't tell us where the trafficking is taking place, Minister. That doesn't give us any of that information. It cannot be that we have a report, Minister, that speaks to so many arrests, and I can tell you that those arrests are all our children that has been arrested for half a tablet and a little bit of dagga. Where are the drug kingpins? Where is the effort? Where is the net joint operations in our communities? Why are you neglecting the Cape Flats and our communities like this? Do you not see our children are mad in our communities? They don't even know what's their names. Our children don't even look like our children. They mirror the way they look. They look like someone else. Why aren't you taking it seriously? Why is it that Mitchell's Plain Police Station ranks number 2 in an area that is hard hit by drugs and gangs, and that police station, Western Cape Police Commissioner, does not have enough vehicles? Why is it that last week a 14-year-old child that was on scene, and this is why I'm so passionate, Minister, a 14-year-old boy was shot and killed in front of his mother and father. And there was no van for over 1.5 hours. Why is it that that body has to lay there for 4 and 5 hours before we find a pathology van, and all the children on the way to Cape Flats thinks that murder is their portion? What are you doing about drugs in this country that's destroying us? Do you realize that drugs has a role to play when it comes to your rape? Because those children are raping their mothers. Do you know this? Do you know that drugs has an impact on the hijacking? How are you prioritizing and categorizing the drugs? Are you just going after Dagga? Do you know the impact of Tuk? Are you having special operations that addresses your chaos causing in our communities, such as Tuk? Why aren't you categorizing the drugs? Why aren't you speeding up the reports at the labs? Why is it that a drug-related case takes over five years sometimes? Why is it that when we arrest the dealer today, he's out 2 days later? What are you doing about the many lolly lounges in Eldorado Park? What are you doing about the Pela Pos? Let me call this Pela Pos chair, where dozens of children go and get recruited into gangs. Where is your gang strategy? Why aren't you reporting on how many gangs you've dismantled? Why is it that we have members in positions, Minister? And I'm so sorry that this shouldn't come across as an attack, because General Sibiya can tell you, we work with you. I work with him. And there's a lot of success. We support you. I support you. Why don't we see war when it comes to fighting substance? What are you doing this? Where's your safety plan now? What does it say about drugs? When are we going to see the army deployed on the Cape Flats? We all want the title, but nobody wants the responsibility. Why haven't you been to the Cape Flats, Western Cape Commissioner, to go and apologize to those families for failing them?
Kunabazali namhlanje asebashawa istroke. Kunabazali namhlanje abangasenayo impahla endlini yebiwa ingane yabo ngoba isingene kuma drugs. Kunabazali namhlanje abasosizini iBP inyukile iphezulu ngenxa ukuthi ingane yakhe ingene kulento yama drugs. Kunogogo namhlanje uthatha imali yakhe yokugcina empesheni, uzama ukukhokhela umzukulu wakhe ukuthi akaye kwi-rehab, uzama ngazo zonke indlela ngenxa yokuthi usengene kuma drugs. Inkinga nje le esihlasela. Kukhona umzali namhlanje hleze ekhathazekile, noma khelwane sebeyamazi, hambe ekhuluma yedwa noma umbingelela akakuzwa. Umbingelela nje akakuzwa ngenxa yokuthi njengoba ekhuluma yedwa nje usiza abhekane nalo ngenxa yokuthi ingane yakhe noma umzukulu wakhe ukuma drugs akasahlala ekhaya. Kodwa yonke lento ingaphela uma ngase kwenziwe lento eshulo kuzana umama lo Honorable James, ukuthi uma ngase kuboshwe laba ama kingpin, uma ngase kuboshwe labantu okuyibona bona abasupply ama drugs, uma ngase kuboshwe labantu abakuma lab abaproducer lama drugs, angafiki nakufika emgwaqweni kulabo abathengayo, yonke lenkinga esikhuluma ngayo ingaphela. Ikhona ivideo bengizoyicaphuna kodwa ngenxa yesikhathi angifisi ukuyicaphuna. Ibhlungu ivideo yakhona, khuluma ngezingane ezilimaza abazali bazo. So isihlava esisihlasele njengesizwe sase South Africa sama drugs singaphezulu kokucabanga. Kuyadingeka ukuthi amaphoyisa asebenze ngokuzimisela. Ngifuna umphakathi ukubeka eceleni ngoba ayikho umphakathi into ongasuyenze manje, ngoba abantu abadila kuma drugs bavikelwe ngamaphoyisa. Abantu abadila kuma drugs uyabazi nawe la uhlala khona, kufika amaphoyisa azokoleka okweshumi insuku zonke. Manje uyabona uma ongasukhulume wena uzoba yisithi, uzofa ushiye ingane zakho, ngoba labantu laba amaphoyisa azofika asho ukuthi hayi usibanibani onimpimpini. Siphila nabo emphakathini, ayikho into esingayenza kubo ngoba bavikelwa amaphoyisa. Ngisho kungane operation ukuthi amaphoyisa ahlasela abantu bama-drugs. Amaphoyisa angabangani babo lawa koloko okweshumi ayabafonela abazise ukuthi hey siyeza. Fika ama-operation bengekho. Isimo nje siphila phansi kwaso. Asiyibambe le video. Kodwa ngiyafisa ukuthi uma uyiphoyisa uyingxenye lobugebengu wazi ukuthi wonke lo monakalo unesandla kuwo. Kulomzali namhlanje ukhushukela iBP. Kulomzali namhlanje ushawa istroke. Kulomama noma ubaba uhamba ekhuluma yedwa lapha unesandla. Unesandla. Mina nawe sidibane kwivideo elandelayo. Ngiyabonga.
Maintain that